one very important intervention to prevent preterm births has been proposed to be calcium. So let's look at the role of calcium supplementation in preterm birth. Actually, the WHO recommends 1500 to 2000 milligrams of elemental calcium supplementation per day for pregnant women in populations especially like our Indian populations, where baseline dietary calcium intake is low, to reduce the risk of preeclampsia, particularly among those at higher risk of developing this disorder. And the recommendation is 2.5 grams of calcium carbonate or 4.75 grams of calcium citrate contains approximately 1 gram of elemental calcium per day. The WHO recommendation is based on positive results from systematic reviews that should be interpreted with caution, however, because of the possibility of small study effect or publication bias. Now, there has been a systemic review in 2018 of 27 randomized trials, including over 18,000 pregnant women, of whom 2/3 lived in geographic areas where calcium-rich foods were not commonly available or consumed. And what was found that with calcium supplementation of more than or equal to 1 gram daily from mid-pregnancy, that is 20 weeks to delivery, approximately half the risk of preeclampsia and hypertension during pregnancy compared with placebo or no treatment in the overall cohort, irrespective of the baseline risk of developing hypertension and calcium intake status. The reduction of risk was greatest for women with low baseline calcium intake, variously defined by always less than 900 milligrams per day, and those at high risk of preeclampsia. Now, preterm birth was also reduced, but rates of stillbirth, neonatal intensive care admission, and infant death were similar in both the groups. Meta-analysis also found that supplementation with low dose of calcium, that is less than 1 gram daily, reduced the risk of preeclampsia. However, most of the trials recruited women at high risk of preeclampsia and were at high risk of bias. The authors felt these findings of treatment effect may be overestimated due to small study effects or bias. All said and done, calcium is important and vital to be supplemented, and therefore there has to be a proper dose recommendation in all mothers, especially in their second trimester. Even there, if you look at the preventive measures for these disorders, it's a good practice that calcium and vitamin D supplementations are considered as a part of pre-pregnancy optimization, even if before the woman considers a pregnancy, 3 months ahead of time. Educate her for calcium rich diet, supplement her with calcium, especially when you are from India with a low calcium intake diet, and continue giving her calcium during pregnancy, especially second trimester onwards till the time she delivers, and even after that to support lactation, because calcium is not only important in preventing preterm births and preeclampsia, but it is also important to improvise the bone mass in the newborn and to prevent osteopenia in the mother. So please be extremely careful with calcium supplementations and ensure that not only is the mother taking calcium rich diet, but is also taking diet which is rich in calcium.